This video is on Form 10IC, which is an application for opting to pay tax at a concessional rate. Form 10IC is required to be filed by domestic companies who wish to exercise the option to pay tax at a concessional rate of 22% plus surcharge and cess subject to fulfillment of certain conditions. The form can be filed by those domestic companies which are registered on the e-filing portal, and they should have a valid user ID and a password. The companies should also have a valid and active digital signature certificate, and the timelines for furnishing the return under Section 139 subsection 1 should not have lapsed. Let us look at the form at a glance. Form 10IC has 4 sections: Assessing Officer, Basic Information, Additional Information, and Verification section. The first section displays the details of Assessing Officer. The company can confirm the details of the Assessing Officer. The basic information page contains basic details of the company and the nature of its business activities. The company is required to select sector as per the nature of business applicable to it. The next section is the additional information. It requires a confirmation of units in IFSC and whether option has been exercised under Section 115BA4 by filing Form 10IB. Please note that if you have opted for taxation under Section 115BA, you will have to withdraw the option under Section 115BA subsection 4. Verification section contains a self-declaration form containing criteria as per Section 115BA of the Income Tax Act. You need to agree to the terms and conditions displayed on this page. Form 10IC can be accessed and submitted only through online method. Let us now see how do we submit the form on the online portal. So the company is required to log into the e-filing portal using its user ID and password. On its dashboard, click on e-file, go to Income Tax Forms and click on File Income Tax Forms. On the File Income Tax Forms page, select persons having business or professional income and then select Form 10IC. Alternatively, you can enter 10IC in the search box to file the form. On the page Form 10IC, select Assessment Year and click on the Continue button. On the instructions page, after reading the instructions, click on Let's Get Started. On the click of Let's Get Started, Form 10IC is displayed. The company is required to fill in the required details and then click on Preview button. On the Preview page, verify the details and click on Proceed to E-Verify. Click Yes to submit. On clicking Yes, you will be taken to E-Verify page where you can verify using digital signature certificate. After successful e-verification, a success message is displayed along with transaction ID and an acknowledgement receipt number. Please keep a note of transaction ID and ARN for future reference. You will also receive a confirmation message on the registered email ID and mobile number. Filing of Form 10IC is very easy. For more information, you can visit us on www.incometax.gov.in or contact our helpline numbers.